Zach and Owen present, in association with UPEI and Chem 342, The Birds and the Bees, and the U's and the V's. Starring 1,3-butadiene, aka Ted.
Hello!
Cyclopentadiene, aka Sally, and Dr. Stocking.
Hello there! What a lovely day it is! I wonder if I'm going to meet anyone worth meeting today. Is it hot in here, or is it just her? Ha 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 ha! I'm gonna go say hi. Hi! I'm Ted. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Ted. I'm Sally. Is that it? Are you serious? Well, that just ain't gonna work. What do you want? I just have to say that I've been dying to meet you. Just dying. That's nice. I got an idea. She won't be able to resist me after this. What? Relax. I just wanted to tell you that if I could rearrange the periodic table, I'd put you and I together. Get it? Uranium and iodine, they're elements. Please go away. Okay. For the record, I think we have a great bond here. A great bond. Ugh. It's hopeless. What am I doing wrong? Ah!
No.
Who is that?
It is I, Dr. Stocking.
Hi. What? Did you see all that?
Yes, I was lurking in the corner. The entire time.
Well, what do you want?
Well, I couldn't help but see your entirely awkward courting ceremony.
Awkward?
Yes, that is one word for it. Others might call it creepy or stalkerish.
Rude.
Well, I have to call it as I see it, as a doctor. Anywho, I couldn't help but notice that you're trying to use heat to make a bond with that lovely 4-diene over there.
Thanks.
No problem, Toots. You see, when you try to use heat between 4,4-dienes, you end up having to make a bond between the HOMO and LUMO of two orbitals that do not match.
Well, what does that have to do with me?
Everything. You see, when you try to make a bond between two orbitals that do not overlap properly, this is known as anterafacial, and it is incredibly unstable. This is what leads to this awkward, weird interface between you and her.
Well, why don't you show me? I really need to see the mechanism. I'm a visual learner, you see.
Well, as you can see right here on this convenient whiteboard, I have drawn out an entire schematic of what is going on.
Oh, wow, how did that get there?
Magic. Science magic.
Go on. Oh, Dr. Stocking, what are those circle things? It look like 8s. What are they?
You see, Ted, those are what we call orbitals. In order to make a proper bond between you and Sally, you will need to have your orbitals overlap.
Oh, I see.
To make these overlap, you need to take your HOMO and align it with her LUMO.
Oh.
And as you can see in this diagram, if you have heat, your HOMO and her LUMO do not properly overlap.
Well, what can I do? What do I do about that? It's hopeless.
Well, I have a bright idea.
Haha.
Why don't you try using light to create a new sort of attraction between you and her?
Well, what would light change? How does that make a difference?
So you see, if you use light to excite one of the electrons from your HOMO into your LUMO, you create a new system of HOMO and LUMOs. You can then use these to react with her and actually have proper alignment.
Oh, yeah, I see. This picture over here, it's different from the picture over there.
Insightful.
Genius!
Yes, bravo, Ted. How about you turn on the lights, Ted?
So, okay, let me just get this straight. All you're saying is that if I want to make a bond with Sally,
Yes,
I just need to change the reaction conditions.
exactly.
Why didn't I think of that?
Oh, I don't know, stress. Probably.
Cue the lights! This is gonna change everything. Whoa! You're a one fine looking dye in there. Why, thank you. You as well. I just have to say that I feel a real connection forming between us. Is that so? The chemistry between us is just electric.